Now that you've installed the Chrome extension for Loom, let's look at how we can utilize this. The first thing you may notice is that it did not appear immediately in your extension browser. To make it appear up here, you want to select the puzzle piece, which will allow you to edit your extensions. Here I want to make sure I pin the extension and then it will appear. The first time you click on this, you may have to sign in with Google. So here we are. I opened up the extension. Now I have some options. First, I can choose screen and cam. I can choose screen only. I can also choose cam only. So now this would be only recording my camera. Let's go back to screen and cam. Down here I have some options. I can make this larger or even bigger. I can move it around as well. I have the options to hide the menu, open the menu. I can cancel the recording if I'm really messing up and I want to get rid of something. I can pause the recording and then start it again, or I can start the recording. I can also do that over here. I can choose full desktop, which would record everything even when I get out of Chrome, or I can just choose current tab if I want to stay and do my screencast on this. I can also turn my microphone audio on or off, and we do have some advanced options. I can choose the camera source. This would be the camera source for down here. I can choose the microphone source. Here I have a USB mic. I can choose that for my microphone. I can choose a photo for screen only, or I can turn that off. So now when I go to screen only, my photo isn't there. I can turn the control menu on and off and a recording countdown. As soon as I hit start recording, it's going to count down for this. So here's what it looks like. I select my screen, hit share. It's going to count down, and now I'm officially recording. When I'm done recording, I will hit the check mark, finish the recording, and here's my link. If you want to learn about how to share, we have some other videos to look at that.